Meet Sarah, a smart, hardworking nurse from Ohio who just made the single most expensive financial mistake of her entire life, and you are probably about to do the exact same thing. Back in 2023, Sarah found her absolute dream home listed for $350,000, and she was fully pre-approved to buy it. She had the down payment sitting in her bank account, but her friends and family completely terrified her by saying the U.S. housing market was a massive bubble about to burst. They convinced her to wait just one more year for interest rates to drop and for home prices to finally crash. So, Sarah backed out of the real estate deal and reluctantly signed another 12-month lease on her cramped, overpriced apartment. 1 year turned into 2, and 2 years turned into 3, because that magical, catastrophic housing crash never actually happened.
Ow.
Today, in 2026, that exact same house she walked away from is now worth over $480,000, because she waited on the sidelines trying to time the market to save a little bit on interest. She completely missed out on $130,000 in pure tax-free equity. Even worse, the $60,000 she paid in rent over the last 3 years went straight toward paying off her landlord's mortgage instead of building her own personal wealth. If Sarah had just bought the house back then, she could have simply refinanced her loan today to get a lower rate. But you can never go back in time and refinance a lower purchase price. The hard truth about the U.S. housing market is that there is no perfect time to buy a house. There is only the right time for your personal financial situation. If you can comfortably afford the monthly payment today, do not let fear and terrible advice keep you trapped in the endless renter's cycle. Reach out to my team today and let us build a factual, numbers-driven plan that actually makes sense for your family's future, no matter what the national news is saying.